Ballet, a classical movement, is to stand by toes. Usually, when we're performing this movement, we'll perform a slight dorsiflexion first, then a full plantar flexion to stand by toes. Also in ballet, dancers will wave their arms when they're standing by their toes. They will first perform an abduction to extend their arms and then perform an adduction to put the arms down again.
Freestyle swimming, my shoulders perform circumduction and my head performs circulation that helps me breathe. When I am making a shot in basketball, my wrist is performing flexion. My shoulders are showing flexion in order to lift the ball over my head. While making a shot, my elbow is performing extension so that it can give the ball a force forward.
During the dance performance, the dancer will always use their ankle joints to do the inversion and eversion.
And pronation of my wrist are performing when I'm jiggling badminton.